Sanibonani, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. So kunodaba lana kaFifi Cooper noNaledi Aphiwe that I see trending kuthiwa ke uNaledi accused another sister of stealing her phone. Angazi ukugela ukuthi bekune event mhlawumbe bebekhona ezama artist and then wasiya ngase bathroom angazi ifone wayibeka kanjani kwaba khona usiso thathe ifone yakhe akashongo ukuthi igama angazi ukuthi elikaFifi Cooper igama bese lingena kanjani mhlawumbe people said because bekuno Fifi Cooper or whatever happened there, because now Fifi Cooper is out here responding on uNaledi Aphiwe when it comes to ukuthi kuthiwa uNaledi Aphiwe uthe uFifi Cooper untshontshe ifoni yakhe kade bengase bathroom ntontoni ungene yena waphuma leyo wangena angazi kuphithizela laphiyana kwase kucasha ifoni kaNaledi kodwa uthe mayesho wathi khona usisi azange alisho kodwa igama. So I'm gonna bring those clips ke uNaledi Aphiwe ekhuluma ngemfoni yakhe etshontshiwe, and I think abantu mhlambe yibona mina abathi uFifi Cooper, even though uNaledi did not name the sister ontshontshe ifoni yakhe kwasho ukuthi angazi ukuthi kuza kanjani sigcineke sesino Fifi Cooper complaining kuNaledi Aphiwe ukuthi umjwayela kabi ngempela. I mean, like, I don't understand Fifi Cooper stealing ifone angazi bafethu angazi, but anyways asibabona ogeli bobabili ke behlaselana not ngaleyo ndlela sengiyasho nje ivideo kaNaledi and then nekaFifi Cooper about that particular phone angazi uhambe kanjani laphana. Omunye ulahlekelwe ifoni, omunye kwathiwa nguyena ontshontshile and yangahlala kahle leyo kuFifi Cooper. This is where we are now. So now on Daily Sun, they have a story said they are saying rapper Fifi Cooper has found herself at the center of a heated row. This is after rising star Naledi Aphiwe tearfully alleged on social media that her phone, her iPhone 16, was stolen during Big Zulu's album launch on Thursday, the 10th of April. In an emotional video posted online, Naledi recounted the incident, saying she lost her phone while using the ladies' bathroom at the event. She revealed that she wasn't sure if she had left the phone in her pocket or on the counter. At the time, a well-known celebrity reportedly entered, hugged her and expressed how proud she was of Naledi's journey. She said the celeb then left the bathroom, reportedly walking backwards while still facing her. She detailed a detail she found odd. Now, though Naledi initially refused to reveal the name of the celebrity, social media sleuths quickly speculated and fingers pointed at Rafa, who was also present at that album launch. Now, soon Fifi's name trended as accusations mounted. Like I said, she never really said it is Fifi. Ute angifuna ukulisho igama. So how and who is now saying it's Fifi Cooper for her to then see the need to respond, you know?
Mina kayizini bengise toilet ne mangise toilet okay ngingene no Ntsapsengi mangena noNtsapsengi ngishooting ngithathe izithombe ngefoni yami naye yabo, and then aphuma and then ngisale toilet mangisala toilet kube khona usisi yabo, kube khona usisi afuna ukushutha nami yabo. Okay, sishuthe ifoni yami besakhona. Okay, ngingene toilet ngiphume nefoni yami isakhona. I don't clearly remember ukuthi ngifake ephaketheni or ngibekile while ngiwash izandla. Between those two, yabo. Okay, ingeni celeb yabo. Malingeni celeb angifuni ukusho igama lomuntu because I'm not sure, but ingeni celeb malingeni celeb afike toilet and then aze eduze kwami, maye eduze kwami angazi noma ifoni uyikhipile or ifoni uyithathile. Mangena okay, mayingena afike eduze kwami angimjwayele nje yabo. Mangena Naledi, my baby, we see you, you're doing great. And then magaphuma uphuma kanje, like akaphumi kanje isicapha, like magaphuma akaphumi like isicapha nje asiqonde kanje uphuma uyahlehla. Naledi, we see you, yabo yonke leyo nto leyo. Luckily benginomuntu engilindile emnyango, my manager uDK bekangilindile emnyango. Mangilindile, the girl went straight to the door. Akaphindanga aya kwi-event. She just went straight to the door, waphuma. Yabo, wahamba. Yabo, angeke ngilisho igama lakhe, but yeah, uphumile yena wahamba, like wahamba kwi-event, waphuma kwi-building leSandton. Wahamba because it says i-tracker ifoni yasho ukuthi 7 minutes ago uphumile lo muntu, kwavela o-Dis-Chem abangaphandle. And then masifika la endlini ebusuku because sivele sahamba sangaqhubeka nje. Sivele sahamba. Masifika la sithi siyayi-tracker ithi se-Alexandra. Okay. And then sazama ke ukuphuma la endlini siye khona sa-check i-location. And then sathi ngesikwazi ukuthi siye emzini womuntu siyonoka because izobe ngathi yabo siyamhlasela or something. Asiqale police station, and then police station bafuna izinto eziningi. And then we couldn't go siye kuloya muzi loya yabo. Sayeka kanjalo ke. But ngiyamsola lo sisi lo. Ngiyamsola ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho igama lakhe, but awukwazi like iqondanile yonke into. Wena ifoni sayi-track 7 minutes ago, wena usuhambile, wena usukephi. Mina nje shothi ngithengele i-celebrity iPhone 12. Siyakubongela sisi wami. You've won yourself an iPhone 12. Not iPhone 12, iPhone 16. Siyakubongela kakhulu. Siyakubongela, inkosi ikubusise, utholile i-iPhone yakho ongayifuzelanga, ongayisebenzelanga. Wena nje uyinja nje. Hayi wena uyinja nje, uNkulunkulu nje uvela athi imana uthole i-iPhone 16, wena nje uyighost. Siyakubongela kakhulu sisi wami. Inkosi iqhubeke ikubusise. Uthole namaguji ucoshe ngawo, ngathi ungacosha nangemoto one day i-G-Wagon. Siyakubongela.
Hayi sanumnxile ekuseni nina. Hayibo. Guys. Awini bethuna. Ayinaledi gawuthethe sisi. Who took your phone because ngathi bathethe ikaka ngoku efonini. Ngathi thethe ikaka kwa TikTok. Hayi sanuniphambanela futhi. Hayi khasisi. Ndimdala kangaka ndinemali ndinje. Ndiyenza ntoni ifoni yomntana? Hayi futhi man sis man. Sanuthethe ikaka nina. In fact, Naledi, tell us who stole your phone. Sixelele sis because ingathi bayangiyela ngoku. Hayi futhi. Hayi sis. Hayi something ikaka ni.
Naledi. Umaka. Yani munyana. I don't know how you feel, honestly, knowing that there is no truth in everything that you're saying about me. I don't know, Rufila. First of all, I get tagagago. Ne? Ke batla o bule tshebetso tsa gago tse pedi o nkutlwisise. I've been in this industry for more than 18 years. You are not just going to accuse me of something saying how na proof ya sone, and you're not even sure of what you say. Your story is all over the place. My love, you don't do that. You don't drag my name in the mud just because of attention. You want attention. So many people were using that bathroom. Just because I went in the bathroom and you were also there doesn't mean I stole your phone. There were a lot of people in the bathroom. Why is it me? Is it because you know that when you post it and mention my name, people will pay attention? Or what is it? What game are you playing? Because it doesn't make sense to me. I feel like you are so disrespectful. Like, honestly, I don't even know you that much. The first thing I did today is like, I stole a phone. When? How? Like, young. Zara, don't do that. Do not do that. Every action will be consequences, and I don't know if you understand what you're doing. After I left the bathroom, I went back inside the venue. I never left, by the way. I'm one of the last people by Lahore they left the venue. I stayed until the very end. So I don't understand. I don't know how your phone ended up with Alex. I don't have friends there. I don't know anyone. The last time I was there, I was performing. So I don't understand what you're trying to achieve. Like, what I want to understand is, why are you dragging me into it? Like, when they mentioned Hore, you misplaced your phone, they didn't say Urile Fifi Kupa to the phone. So where is this coming from today? Huh? When they mentioned your phone there, because I was there, why didn't they mention Hore, it's me right there and there? Come on. Don't do what you're doing. Like, Naya nung isn't na, sweetie. No, you need to stop what you're doing. You are way out of line. And I might not be the first person, I might not be the last person, but I had to address you and make you aware. Don't do that. You still have a bright future. Focus on the right things.